This is wild. Oh wow. Fucking eerie. Let me just give you an idea how fast it's moving. Watch this. Let me see if I can find a good spot. Here's a good spot. I'm not moving the camera. That's not a good spot. Oh, this is bizarre. It's just curling over top of us. I just wish I had a better camera to capture this. Oh my God. Let me go over here real quick. Watch this. Watch. I'm gonna hold right over the building. Oh, I wish it would focus better. The wind's starting to really pick up now. My camera's having a hard time focusing. There. Watch the Byrd Plaza sign. Watch it eat up the Byrd Plaza sign. Here comes the rain. When I first looked at this line here, this whole line here was completely over top of the mall. Now I'm getting soaked, so I need to go in. But that is wild. Byrd Plaza.